Congratulations, you just found the new My Super Affiliate Funnels free 5-day challenge on how to learn to make money from home using an easy step-by-step video training. Right now, with this free 5-day training, you can learn everything you need to build a successful online income using the internet. But the big question on people's mind is, I don't have any technical knowledge nor much time, and don't even know how to start with this. I have the answer for you with this free 5-day online challenge on how to make money from home. It will help you by showing you every step you need to take to be successful. The big challenge is that most gurus give you lots of information, but they do not have a step-by-step, follow the simple video instructions, one day at a time for you to start seeing results quickly. If you want to learn how you can finally find a realistic way to make money from the internet, especially in these difficult times where many people are losing their jobs, then I encourage you to sign up for this free 5-day challenge, because it teaches you in simple steps how to become independent from any job. Click the button below to get registered for this free 5-day My Super Affiliate Funnels Challenge, which starts May 24 and runs for 5 days. Who are we to help you with this? We are Paul Lynch and Andrew Fox, who have earned millions online and taught hundreds of students on how to make money online using our step-by-step simple blueprint. During this free 5-day challenge, we are going to post one video every day in which we will ask you to complete one task per day. It will take you just minutes to complete. Every day for 5 days, we will add another task for you to complete. If you are feeling inspired and want to be part of this new and free 5-day My Super Affiliate Funnels challenge, click the button below to get registered. Remember, the challenge starts on Sunday, May 24 and runs through May 28. If you are that person who wants to become independent from your job and is committed to taking a few minutes every day to learn how to start earning money from the internet, then this is designed for you. This is a completely free training, and we guarantee that if you complete all your tasks you will start making money at the end of the 5-day challenge. There is no risk to you. The risk is all on us. Click the button below to register for the free My Super Affiliate Funnels 5-day challenge starting this Sunday, May 24.